Hello audience, today we will discuss about GRE vocabulary which are important for CSS, PMS and UPSC. So the first one is abase. Abase mean degrade, humiliate. Next one is abash. Abash mean embarrass. Next one is abate. Abate means subside or moderate. The next one is abbreviate. Abbreviate mean to shorten. Next one is abdicate. Abdicate mean give up. The next one is aberrant. Aberrant mean abnormal or deviant. The next one is abet. Abet mean encourage, especially in wrong or mischievous things. The next one is abeyance. Abeyance mean suspended action. Next one is abhor, mean detest or hate. Next one is abide. Abide mean to follow rules. Next one is abject. Abject mean lacking respect or in humble position. So the next one is abjure, mean to renounce upon oath. Next one is ablution. Ablution mean washing. Abnegation. Abnegation mean self-abnegation or renunciation. Next one is abode. Abode mean a dwelling place or a home. Next one is abolish. Abolish mean to cancel, put an end to. Next one is abominable. Abominable mean detestable, unpleasant. Abominate. Abominate mean hate. Next one is aboriginal mean native. Next one is abortive mean unsuccessful or fruitless. Next one is abrasive. Abrasive mean tending to grind down. Next one is average. Average mean to condense, to shorten. Next one is abrogate. Abrogate mean abolish. Next one is abscission, mean cutting off or separation. And the next one is abscond. Abscond mean depart secretly and hide. And the last one is absolute. Absolute mean complete. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching Dawn Times. Thank you.